Many developers are trying to transition into AI right now. They complete courses, they build small projects, they add AI and machine learning to their resume. Then they start applying for jobs. And something frustrating happens: no interviews, not because they lack potential, but because hiring managers often cannot see clear signals that this person can actually build AI systems. And in AI hiring today, signals matter more than keywords. Many hiring managers spend less than 10 seconds scanning a resume. If they don't see the right signals immediately, they simply move on to the next candidate. Many resumes in the AI space look very similar. A list of courses, a few buzzwords, maybe a tutorial project, but hiring managers are reviewing hundreds of applications. They are not looking for proof that you studied AI. They are looking for proof that you can build with AI. That difference is what determines whether your resume moves forward or gets ignored. Courses are useful for learning, but they rarely prove that someone can solve real engineering problems. Hiring managers are looking for evidence of applied capability, not just educational exposure. Recruiters rarely read resumes line by line. They scan quickly. They are asking a few simple questions. Has this person built something real? Do they understand systems? Do they know how AI fits into software products? If those signals are missing, the resume usually doesn't make it to the next stage. This scanning process is even faster in the AI space because the number of applicants has increased dramatically. Recruiters rely on quick signals that indicate whether a candidate can contribute to real AI products. In most Gen AI roles today, hiring managers look for a few practical signals. Evidence that you can build systems, evidence that you understand how models behave in real applications, and evidence that you can turn AI capabilities into useful features. These signals often matter far more than theoretical knowledge. These signals help hiring managers reduce risk. They want confidence that a candidate can move from experimentation to building something useful for users. The strongest signal on an AI resume is a real project. Not a tutorial, not a notebook, a working system. For example, an application that connects a language model to documents, APIs, or structured data. Projects like these show that you understand how AI fits into a real product. Even a single well-designed project can demonstrate more capability than several certificates. Projects reveal how you approach architecture, trade-offs, and real-world constraints. Another strong hiring signal is system thinking. AI rarely works in isolation. It sits inside a larger architecture. Applications call models, models interact with data, and the system must handle latency, failures, and unpredictable outputs. Engineers who understand this broader picture stand out immediately. Engineers who think in terms of systems understand that models are just one component. The real challenge is designing the surrounding infrastructure that makes AI reliable. Despite all the excitement around AI, the hiring process still prioritizes engineering fundamentals. Can you write clean code? Can you build APIs? Can you debug complex systems? AI tools change quickly, but strong engineering skills remain one of the clearest hiring signals. Strong engineers are able to integrate new technologies without losing structure or maintainability. That ability becomes especially valuable when AI components behave unpredictably. Another signal hiring managers value is understanding how AI behaves in real environments. Large language models can produce impressive answers, but they can also produce inconsistent or incorrect outputs. Engineers who know how to evaluate and improve these systems bring much more value to a team. Companies value engineers who can analyze when AI outputs fail and improve system behavior over time. That requires experimentation, evaluation, and careful iteration. This is why many resumes struggle. They focus on what the candidate studied, instead of what the candidate built. Hiring managers don't need more people who understand AI concepts. They need engineers who can turn those concepts into working systems. This often creates resumes filled with buzzwords but lacking practical evidence. From a hiring perspective, that makes it difficult to differentiate the candidate from hundreds of others. Improving your AI resume is not about adding more buzzwords. It's about showing clear evidence that you can build AI systems. That usually requires a different approach to learning, one that focuses on projects, systems, and engineering outcomes. The goal is not simply to learn more tools. The goal is to demonstrate how you apply AI capabilities to real engineering problems. Instead of building many small tutorials, focus on one meaningful project. For example, an AI assistant connected to documents or tools. Document the architecture, explain the trade-offs, show how the system works. That single project can become a powerful hiring signal. A focused project allows you to explore architecture decisions in depth. It also gives you something concrete to discuss during interviews. Hiring managers love candidates who explain their thinking. Include architecture diagrams in your projects. Describe how the system retrieves information, manages prompts, and handles errors. This shows that you think like an engineer, not just a tool user. Clear architecture explanations show that you understand the reasoning behind your design. This immediately signals a more mature engineering mindset. A strong AI resume tells a story. What problem were you solving? What architecture did you design? What challenges did you face? And how did you improve the system? These details help hiring managers see how you approach real engineering work. Good engineers communicate how they think about problems. When a resume shows that process, hiring managers gain much more confidence in the candidate. The AI job market is growing quickly. But companies are not hiring based on buzzwords. They are hiring based on signals. Signals that show you can design systems, build reliable software, and turn AI capabilities into real products. Developers who understand this shift position themselves much closer to the roles companies are actually hiring for. If you want to build an AI-proof career and understand the practical side of AI engineering, subscribe to Advanced Skills Learning.